And we have to discussing about today topic lime concrete rate analysis. So lime concrete in foundation with 40 gauge, brick ballast, unit 1 cubic meter, and lime, white lime and suriki proportion for 1 is to 2 is to 6 proportion was given in the question. First, what is know the item of the work? So foundation work. So how many members or do the foundation work in labors? So that all are mentioned in the table clearly, and how much amount of the quantity of the materials used in the foundation work all are mentioned in the rate analysis. Okay, so in this question have to find out the foundation work, materials and labors. So now starts the problem. So given data, first write the given data. So in this question, unit 1 cubic meter, but I will take 10 cubic meters. It's converted into 1 cubic meter in the last. Okay, so take 10 cubic meter and wet weight 10, wet volume 10 cubic meter. So dry volume is equal to add 54% of wet volume. Okay, so 54% of the dry volume, 10 plus 54 divided by 100 into 10. So now the dry volume 15.4 meters, 4 cubic meters. Okay, next quantity of the lime. So first calculating the lime quantity. So is equal to the formula 1 divided by what was given in the proportions. So all are added. So 1 plus 2 plus 6 into dry volume. So dry volume now be calculating 15.4. So 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 6 into 15.4. Now the value is 1.71 cubic meters. So that is the lime quantity. So next quantity of the suriki. So is equal to, in this question proportion 1 is to 2 is to 6. So in the lime 1.71 into, so quantity coarse aggregate 2. So 1.7271 into 2. So now the value is 3.42 cubic meters. Next quantity of brick ballast 40 gauge. So lime is 1.71 into and fine coarse aggregate 6. So 1.71 into 6. Now the value is 10.26 cubic meters. So write the table, item number, particular of item, quantity or numbers, rate, cost. Okay, so first item materials. So what was material doing? So brick ballast 40 gauge and white lime and suriki. So first mention the brick ballast. 10 point, what was the quantity to be calculated? 10.26 cubic meter. So brick ballast quantity. Lime concrete, so sorry, lime 1.71 cubic meters. Suriki quantity 3.42 cubic meters. So the rate was 1000 per cubic meter in brick ballast 40 gauge. So 10.26 into 1000. So now the value is 1026 10,260 rupees. Next lime, white lime. So white lime quantity 1.71 cubic meters and the rate 1000 rupees per cubic meter. So 1.71 into 1000. Now the value is 1710 rupees. So next suriki. Suriki quantity 3.42 cubic meters. Now the rate is 800. So 3.42 into 800 per cubic meter. So now the value is 2736 rupees. So total material cost 10,260 plus 1710 rupees plus 2736. So now the total material cost 14,706 rupees. Okay, next second item of work, labor. So there are different types of labors are there. So first head mason, mason, mazdoor, coolie, bastis and waterman, sundries. Okay, so head mason is worked at the site is half day only. So that's why mentioned in the half number. Okay, so next per day head mason cost 425 rupees. So that's why half into 425 212.5 rupees. Next mason. Mason is worked at one number. So now the value cost is per day 400 rupees. So 1 into 400, it's the amount of 400 rupees. Next, Mazdurs. Mazdurs was worked in foundation 12 numbers. So 12 numbers and each per day cost 250 rupees for Mazdurs. So 12 into 250. Now the cost is 3000 rupees. Next, Coolies. Coolies quantity 12 numbers is worked in foundation work. So that's why 12 numbers and per day cost 230 rupees and Coolies cost. So 12 into 230. So now the cost is 2760 rupees. Next, Waterman or Bastis. So Bastis or Waterman number 2. So per day cost 230 rupees. So 2 into 230, so 460 rupees amount. Next, Sundaries. Sundaries all are spending the amount, tea, coffees, that's anything that one. So that is the lump sum. So that cost was approximately 100 rupees. Okay, so all are added. Labor cost 212 rupees 0.5 rupees, sorry 212.5 plus 400 plus 3000, 2760 plus 460 plus 100. So total labor cost 6833 rupees. So now calculating total materials and labors. So the table was completed. So total materials and labor amount are added. So 706 rupees plus 6833 rupees. Total amount 21,639 rupees. So now added 1.5% of water charges. So 21639 into 1.5 divided by 100. Now the value is 325 rupees. Next, add 10% contractor profit. So every work do the contractor profit is given. So that's why added 10% of contractor profit. So 21639 into 10 divided by 100. Now the value is 2163.9 paisas. So that's why round figure 2164 rupees. So total cost for 10 cubic meter all are added 21,639 rupees plus water charges 325 plus contractor profit 2164 rupees. So total cost for 10 cubic meter 24,161 rupees. So in converted into 1 cubic meter cost 2,430 rupees. Okay, 2,430 rupees per 1 cubic meter. Okay, the problem was completed. Thanks for watching.